Welcome to a brand new video tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to show you on how to upload a website for free using X10 hosting. Stick around and we will show you how. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is we need to get our website. So if you have a website ready to go, you can skip this step. If you haven't got your website ready, we'll show you on how to do it with Webflow. Because we're using Webflow, we're going to extract the code, so we'll click on the export code button. Once it's done that, it's going to load the code for us. So we'll wait for it to load. We'll fast forward this in post. Okay, so now you can see that the code has loaded and it's ready to be extracted into a .zip file. So we'll click on prepare zip. It will generate a new zip file. We'll skip through these so you don't have to wait. After we've done that, we'll click on download zip and we'll head back on over to X10 hosting. Now we'll click on create my account. We'll say cool test. Actually, we'll say Webflow to WordPress playground. And we enter in .x10.mx. So practically we're creating a subdomain underneath .x10.mx. .x10.mx and others like .x10host.com and .x10.bz. They're all available domain names that we can use, and we're just creating a free subdomain name. Now we click on continue. After that we will enter in an email address. Click continue. Now we will enter in a password. Click continue. Click on I agree to the terms of service. Now it's going to create our account. Okay, so now that we've done that, we'll click here to continue. We will also go into our email. And what would have happened is that we would have received an email from X10 hosting. So we'll jump into here, we'll do a quick refresh. Okay, so we've got the email here, so we click on confirm. Now that our account's been confirmed, we can click on continue. We'll head back on to the main website for X10 hosting. We'll click on sign in. Again, we'll wait for it to load. Now we click continue. Okay, so now we have to wait 45 seconds for this next process to load. Okay, now the account has been created. We click on continue. Now we have our website at the bottom underneath your domain, and on top of that we have our username as well. So what we need to do now is jump on over to open cPanel. So we'll click on open cPanel. It will then take us to our cPanel hosting. Now what we want to do is we want to change the interface. So we'll need to head on over and we'll make the change. So now that we have loaded cPanel, we click on File Manager. After that we click on www. We click on delete, right click, then click on delete and skip the trash permanently, delete the files. We are deleting the CGI bin. So we click on confirm, click on upload, drag and drop the code or the HTML files you want to upload. In this instance we'll be using the .zip file created by Webflow. Okay, now that we have uploaded the .zip file, we'll click on go back, click on reload, click on www, right click on the .zip file and click on extract, click on extract files, click on close. And now that we've done that, we can head on over to our website address by clicking on the new tab. We enter in the website address. Now that we have entered in the website address, it should load the website that we have extracted. If you have any questions, let me know down below and I'd be more than happy to help you.